10 Best Seat Covers for Ford Edge 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Waterproof Dog Backseat Cover. Transform your car journeys with your furry companion into stress-free adventures. Our waterproof dog backseat cover offers unparalleled protection and comfort. Crafted from durable, eco-friendly Oxford cloth, its waterproof and anti-slip design means no more worrying about pet hair, muddy paws, slobber, or even accidental spills from active kids. Your pet stays secure and cozy, while your car seats are completely shielded from sand, dust, and everyday wear and tear, maintaining that brand-new look. Installation is a breeze, taking mere seconds with simple buckle straps and seat anchors. And when it's time to clean, a quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to keep it pristine. Enjoy a cleaner car and happier travels, worry-free. Number 9. Black Panther Universal Front Car Seat Cover. Elevate your driving experience with the Black Panther Universal Front Car Seat Cover. Crafted from upgraded, wear-resistant polyvinyl, this cover offers superior durability and water resistance, shielding your original seats from fading and wear. The built-in high-rebound sponge ensures exceptional comfort on even the longest journeys. Its unique wraparound design provides comprehensive protection, blending seamlessly, while the handy front pocket keeps essentials close. Say goodbye to shifting covers. The non-slip gel bottom and secure fasteners keep it perfectly in place. Plus, the exquisite triangle quilted look instantly upgrades your car's interior, adding subtle comfort. Installation is a breeze, taking just 5 minutes. Protect, comfort, and style your ride effortlessly. Number 8. Universal Memory Foam Air Mesh Airbag Front Seat Covers. Elevate every journey with Skechers Universal Memory Foam Air Mesh Airbag Front Seat Covers. Designed by Skechers to truly maximize your driving comfort, these covers feature genuine Skechers memory foam that contours perfectly to your body, offering unparalleled pressure relief on even the longest drives. Experience luxurious comfort combined with smart design. The premium leather and incredibly smooth air-cool mesh fabric ensure superior breathability, keeping you cool and comfortable all year round. Beyond ultimate cushioning, these Skechers by Design covers provide comprehensive protection and stylish flair for your vehicle's interior. Plus, their airbag-compatible design ensures peace of mind. Upgrade your ride and transform your seats into a haven of personalized comfort and style. Number 7. Waterproof Dog Car Seat Protector, Nonslip, Fur-Proof. Finally, enjoy stress-free car rides with your beloved canine. Our waterproof dog car seat protector ensures both your peace of mind and your car's pristine condition. No more worrying about your furry co-pilot. The non-slip design keeps them safely secure, making every journey an enjoyable adventure. Crafted from durable, 4-layered Oxford material, this protector forms an impenetrable barrier against fur, dirt, sand, scratches, and slobber. It's tough enough to withstand enthusiastic paws, ensuring your back seat stays immaculate. Installation takes less than a minute, and its universal fit adapts to almost any vehicle and all breeds. Enjoy comprehensive protection and reclaim your car's cleanliness, because adventures shouldn't leave a mess. Number 6. Ford Edge Cargo Mat and Seat Back Cover. Protect your investment and enhance your daily drive with our expertly designed cargo mat and seat back cover, tailored for your 2015 to 2024 Ford Edge 5-seater. Crafted from advanced, odorless TP material, this mat offers a unique anti-skid texture, keeping your cargo secure while ensuring your family's health. Experience unparalleled all-weather protection, shielding your vehicle from dirt, spills, and pet scratches all year long. Say goodbye to pet hair and muddy paw prints on your seat backs. Installation is a breeze, simply drop it in. The backrest mat features secure, non-damaging Velcro for effortless removal, preserving your original car's interior. Keep your Edge pristine and versatile with this essential upgrade. Number 5. Ford Edge Durable Leather Seat Covers. Elevate your Ford Edge experience with our durable leather seat covers. Forget loose, generic fits. Ours are meticulously tailored for 2007 to 2026 models, offering a seamless, gap-free refresh that modernizes your interior instantly. We put your safety first, ensuring full compatibility with side airbags, seat belts, and original heating/cooling functions. Crafted from premium, all-season faux leather, these covers are incredibly abrasion-resistant, waterproof, and stain-proof, outperforming standard leather while a high-rebound sponge boosts driving comfort. Enjoy 360 degrees protection against wear, spills, and pet hair, enhanced by exquisite craftsmanship and 3D wing protection. Installation is tool-free and takes just 10 to 20 minutes, keeping your edge pristine with minimal effort. Number 4. Ford F-Series Waterproof Lumbar Support Seat Covers. Elevate your Ford F-Series interior with our custom-designed waterproof lumbar support seat covers, engineered specifically for your F-150, F-250, F-350, or F-450. Say goodbye to worn-out seats and hello to enduring style and protection. Crafted from high-grade, waterproof faux leather, these covers effortlessly repel spills and resist daily wear, keeping your truck's cabin looking pristine. You'll appreciate the airbag-compatible design, ensuring safety, alongside full headrest and side edge protection against scratches. Beyond robust defense, the exquisite stitching adds a modern, luxurious touch that complements any interior. Installation is a breeze, no tools needed, just 10 to 15 minutes for a complete transformation. Drive with confidence, knowing your investment is secure and stylish. Number 3. Ford Edge Custom Leather Seat Covers. Give your Ford Edge the ultimate upgrade it deserves with our custom leather seat covers. Engineered with precision 3D scanning, they offer a flawless, full coverage fit for 2007 to 2026 models, meticulously protecting your original seats from spills and daily wear without any slipping. We prioritize your safety. These covers are thoughtfully designed to remain fully compatible with side airbags, seat belts, and all your vehicle's features, including heating and ventilation. Crafted from premium, durable, and waterproof leather, they effortlessly resist pet scratches, cargo scuffs, and temperature changes, keeping your interior pristine year-round. Plus, installation is a breeze, no tools needed. Experience elevated luxury, superior protection, and peace of mind on every journey. Number 2. Ford Edge Waterproof Airbag-Safe Leather Seat Covers. Transform your Ford Edge 2007 to 2025 interior with our premium, custom-fit leather seat covers. Designed for a flawless, stylish upgrade, they provide robust protection against spills, pet scratches, and daily wear. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly leather with dense memory foam, these covers offer enduring comfort and exceptional durability, resisting claws and sun fade for years. Your safety is paramount. Our Airbag-Safe design guarantees unhindered airbag deployment and seatbelt functionality. Embrace every adventure with confidence, thanks to their all-weather waterproof and stain-resistant surface that shrugs off rain, coffee, and mud. Cleanup is a breeze, just wipe and go. Installation is quick and tool-free, backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Give your Edge the ultimate blend of luxury, protection, and peace of mind. Number 1. Black and Red Universal Leather Car Seat Covers. Upgrade your car's interior with our black and red universal leather car seat covers, blending sophisticated style with unparalleled protection. Crafted from superior, breathable Napa leather and durable leatherette, they feel incredibly smooth and enhance comfort with high-resilient foam padding. Enjoy 360 degrees protection against fading, stains, dust, and spills, completely wrapping your original seats. Despite their tailored look, they offer a universal fit for over 95% of vehicles, ingeniously designed to retain all original functions. Airbags, seat belts, and even seat massage work flawlessly. Convenient back pockets and reserved safety exits add practicality. Elevate your ride with style and peace of mind. So, that sums up my 10 best seat covers for Ford Edge. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time.